Kissing in public. Crime or culture? Can a kiss send you to jail in India? In a country where love is worshipped in mythology, public display of affection is still taboo. Is it just society, or does the law back it up? Can a couple kiss in public without breaking the law in India? The answer is, it depends. Some courts have said that a kiss isn't always obscene. But cops may still arrest you if someone complains. So be careful, the law is vague, and public morality still rules in many places. With the new Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Section 354, BNSS 2023, replacing Indian Penal Code, IPC, Section 294, has anything changed? Section 1, IPC 294. Section 294 of the Indian Penal Code deals with obscene acts in public. It says, whoever, to the annoyance of others, does any obscene act in any public place, shall be punished with imprisonment up to 3 months or with fine or both. But what's obscene? That's the problem. The law doesn't define it clearly. That gives the police, and sometimes moral vigilantes, the power to decide. Section 2, BNSS 2023 comparison. In 2023, the Indian Penal Code was replaced by the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Under BNSS, Section 354 covers obscene acts in public. And guess what? The wording remains almost the same. There is still no definition of what counts as obscene, which means the confusion and misuse continue. What is obscene in law? So how do courts interpret obscene? In the Richard Gere Shilpa Shetty case, 2009, the Supreme Court said, a kiss is not obscene unless it involves sexual overtone or intention. In another case involving actress Khushbu vs. State of Tamil Nadu, 2010, the court ruled that private expressions of affection cannot be treated as crimes. So, if there's no vulgarity, no public complaint, and no sexual intent, it's not a crime. Section 4, Police misuse and real-life harassment. Unfortunately, real life isn't that simple. Couples in parks and beaches are often stopped or harassed by police. Sometimes they're asked to pay a bribe to avoid being taken to the station. Most don't know their rights and give in. That's why legal awareness is so important. Section 5, What are your rights? Here's what you need to know. Police can't arrest you just because someone feels offended. There must be 1. A written complaint. 2. There must be clear evidence that the act was sexually explicit or disruptive. 3. If harassed, ask for the legal section being used. 4. The name and ID of the officer. Else, call a lawyer or dial 112, that is the emergency response support system in India, 112.g.o.v.in. Closing statement. India is changing. Love is not a crime. The law may still be outdated in parts, but you don't have to stay unaware. Know your rights. Speak up if you're harassed. And always respect public spaces and other people. Be aware. Be respectful. Know your rights.